Social networks are now commonplace in sales, marketing, and general business communications. Unfortunately, some people still don't know how to use social media in the workplace without landing in hot water. Here are the rules, loosely adapted from IBM's social networking policy, with an extra dollop of common sense. Number 1. Don't provide confidential or other proprietary information. If there's any question in your mind, err on the side of keeping silent. Number 2. Do identify yourself by name and, when relevant, your role, when you discuss your company or matters relating to it. Number 3. Don't write in the first person plural, for example we, us, our. Make it clear you speak for yourself and not on behalf of your firm. Number 4. Do be mindful that whatever you publish will be public for a long time, possibly for your entire career. Number 5. Don't violate copyright, fair use, or financial disclosure laws. When you quote somebody, link back to the source if possible. Number 6. Do make certain that your online profiles and related content are consistent with how you wish to present yourself to colleagues and clients. Number 7. Don't assume that posting anonymously will keep your true identity secret if you publish inappropriate comments and content. Number 8. Do take personal responsibility for the content that you publish on blogs, wikis, or any other public forum. Number 9. Don't forget that your firm's brand is represented by its people, and what you publish will inevitably reflect on that brand. Number 10. Do your best to add value by providing worthwhile information and perspective rather than mere opinion and bluster. Number 11. Don't cite or refer to the firm's clients, partners, or suppliers without their approval. Doing so could land your firm in legal trouble. Number 12. Do show proper consideration for others' privacy, and for sensitivities that may exist concerning politics and religion. Number 13. Don't use ethnic slurs, personal insults, obscenity, or engage in any online conduct that would not be acceptable at work.